Hey Southwest Florida, Braden Milner back with your weekly real estate market update. So strap in because we've got some interesting fluctuations this week that could signal significant market changes. First, let's talk about interest rates. They've ticked back up to 7.3% from the 7.08% last week. This is definitely something to watch, especially as it directly impacts monthly home affordability and will impact buying decisions. New listings have skyrocketed this week to 416 from the 299 from the previous week. This is a significant surge and opens up the field for buyers. But before anyone starts celebrating, we've seen a decline in closed sales from 302 last week to 200 this week. That's a substantial drop and may suggest that while more people are listing, fewer are actually closing deals. However, pending sales have gone up to 272 from last week's 226. This could be due to the interest rate drops last week or a reaction to more homes on the market. Expired listings have decreased to 59 from the 126 last week. This is likely because we've passed the beginning of the month, a typical time for listing agreements to end. And finally, the median sales price is holding relatively steady, experiencing a slight decrease to $383,000 from $390,000. So what does this all mean? The market's giving us mixed signals this week, with a dramatic increase in new listings and a decline in closed sales. Along with rising interest rates, we might be headed towards a market correction. However, we need to be cautious. Conditions from 2 weeks ago were somewhat similar to this week, making it crucial to wait and see if these trends hold before drawing any major conclusions. I'll be here next week to guide you through whatever comes our way. If you have questions before then, reach out to me at 239-634-8639 or contact at bradenmilner.com. Until next week, Southwest Florida, follow the channel and make sure to watch all of the videos the rest of the week. I'll see you all soon.